lost and then get found, and you'll come back to me, not swallowed in the sea. Swallowed in the sea. Yeah, you belong with me, not swallowed in the sea.
Hello, it is December the 21st, 2016, and we are going to learn about tides. I'm going to illustrate the tides on the sand below. Imagine we're looking at the Earth directly above it, and there's the North Pole. You would think the water would be in a circle as well, but actually it's more like a football. Now, this is not the scale, but there's a side of the Earth with more water, and actually on the opposite side as well, almost like a football. Now, the moon is lined up with one of the points of the football. Its gravity basically pulls a bulge of water towards it. There's also a bulge of water on the other side. As the Earth rotates, the side facing the moon has the bulge of water, as well as the side opposite. A lunar day is 24 hours and 50 minutes. The force that pulls the bulge of water towards the moon is gravity. Gravity is affected by the mass of the object. It seems we missed a glaringly obvious celestial body known as the sun that should also affect the oceans. However, gravity is also affected by distance to the object. A solar day is 24 hours. Assume the white label here is facing the sun. That means that it will take 24 hours for the Earth to rotate around to where our white label is facing the sun again. A lunar day is approximately 24 hours and 50 minutes. Assume the yellow disk is the moon. As the Earth rotates, so does the moon, about 50 minutes worth, which means that the Earth has to spin a full revolution plus about 50 minutes to be lined up with the moon again. These alignments are what cause high and low tides. In a lunar day, there are 2 high tides and 2 low tides. This defines the period of our tidal function. Now that we know what affects water levels, we will discuss how to predict water levels. The water level of the ocean can be recorded by putting a float in a tube inside the ocean to record the rising and falling of the water. This information is collected by the NOAA and is publicly available. I gathered my information from Oyster Landing near Georgetown, South Carolina. You can see that the information that we gather includes high tide and low tide for each day, including sea level. If we average out the high tides with all the high tides and low tides with all the low tides, and assume a period of 24 hours and 50 minutes, then we can define this beautiful looking graph with a trigonometric function.